What's up everybody, balik lagi bersama saya Dio Crispo. Gimana kabar kalian? Semoga kalian baik-baik aja, sehat selalu, dan selalu dilancarkan terus rezekinya. Jadi setelah sekian lama nggak bikin video, terakhir video yang aku bikin itu video ini. Nah itu kurang lebih 2 bulan yang lalu aku bikin. Nah pada kesempatan kali ini, video tentang cara menghilangkan cat Anodize pada Aluminium CNC. Nah ini aku ada contohnya juga. Ini awalnya warnanya gold, dan setelah dihilangkan itu jadi warna silver kayak gini. Nah, untuk alat dan bahannya yang kalian butuhin itu sebenarnya cukup simpel dan mudah didapetin. Yang pertama harus kalian punya pastinya ini. Ini cairan penghilang cat Anodize-nya. Ini kalian bisa dapetin di e-commerce kayak di Shopee, Tokopedia, dan lain-lain. Kalau aku sendiri ini belinya di Shopee, ini harganya nggak nyampe 15.000. Nah, lalu yang kedua yang kalian butuhin itu wadah atau toples apapun. Nah, kalau aku pakainya wadah ini toples coconut cookies, ini bekas dan nggak kepakai. Jadi ini nanti buat tempat cairan Anodize-nya, jadi bakal ditaruh di sini karena ini juga nggak kepakai. Dan ya udah, langsung aja kita mulai ke proses penghilangan cat Anodize-nya.
About to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate.
Sebelum mulai kalian wajib banget pakai tang atau alat penjepit apapun untuk memasukkan objek yang mau kalian hilangkan warnanya, karena cairan ini cukup berbahaya jika sampai masuk ke sela-sela kuku kalian, dan lebih bagus lagi kalau kalian pakai sarung tangan agar lebih safety. Dan sekarang lanjut ke prosesnya.
I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always stand my feelings. And I will never forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh? Just take your time, eh? Enjoy the climb, eh? Enjoy the grind, eh? You never really know what's on the other side till you give that shit a try. Know the limit is the sky, eh? Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it, eh? You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always stand my till it's over. And I will not forget those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. take some action, take the ship and the captain, head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down, and I will never give up, I'm moving forward, and I will never miss my chance, take it now.
Setelah dihilangkan warna anodize-nya dan dibersihkan, hasilnya tuh bakalan jadi seperti ini. Nah, kalau kalian pengen hasilnya lebih maksimal, lebih glossy lagi, kalian bisa pakai auto sol metal polish. Ini tuh harganya murah, nggak nyampe 10.000 kalau aku beli di Shopee. Nah, kalau untuk hasilnya setelah dipoles itu bakalan jadi kayak gini. Dan kurasa cukup untuk video kali ini, semoga bermanfaat. Dan jangan lupa untuk like, comment, share, and subscribe pastinya. Saya Diogrespo, peace out, have fun, and be safe.
You hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh,